Hi, welcome back to another video. This is 35th Street Productions. So in tutorial for the Snowy Village House #1. This is another series I'm going to be doing along with the other series, where I just show you how to build them. I did a video where I actually transformed this, so go check that out. So, I'm just coming in, there's the materials at the top. I'm just coming in with some packed ice. I'm doing this pretty slowly so you can follow along. There's walls done at 2 glass panes a door. By the way, leave the floor grass, that's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, coming in on the roof, finishing it off. And now it's time for the interior. First coming in for blue bed, then strip spruce and a torch on top. That's actually it done, but I decided to add some snow on the top just so it would look a little more natural. You don't have to do this, it'll happen naturally eventually. So, unless you're not building it in a snow biome, don't do this. Please subscribe. Here's the grand tour. Bye-bye.